Okay, so students, yesterday we had solved question number 22. Okay, so here we have question number 23. So चलिए question number 23 solve करते हैं. Now, Shivansh, can you please read question 23?
Hari, Kunal, and Uma are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. From 1st April 2018, they decided to share future profits and losses in the ratio of 2:5:3. Their balance sheet showed a balance of rupees 75,000 in the profit and loss account and a balance sheet of 15,000 in the investment fluctuation fund. For this
Okay.
purpose, it was agreed that
Okay, so here we have change in ratio, old ratio and new ratio is given, and we have some balance in profit and loss account, and we also have some balance in investment fluctuation fund. So first of all, whatever is the balance in profit and loss account, that we need to divide. So पहले देखते हैं what is the requirement of the question. What the question says: pass necessary journal entries for the above in the books of the firm. So we need to just pass journal entries. So we will prepare the format. Question number 23. So I will write journal of measures Hari, Kunal, and Uma. Hari, Kunal, and Uma. And we will prepare the format of journal. So around 1 page you will require for journal. Okay, बहुत easy chapter है. And here we will go. So on 1st April 2018, so 1st April 18 को I will distribute profit and loss account. So I will write profit and loss account. It is just for reference. Okay, why I am passing the entry. So I have 75,000 in profit and loss account. So if in the absence of information, we assume that there is a credit balance in profit and loss account. So to distribute, मैं उसे debit कर दूंगा. So I will write profit and loss account credit balance. I need to distribute among the partner, and name of the partners are Hari. So to Hari's capital account, then Kunal. So to Kunal's capital account, and Uma to Uma's capital account. And narration is very simple. Being balance in profit and loss account distributed. So we are distributing the balance in profit and loss account in the old ratio. What is the old ratio? 5:3:2. So 5/10, 3/10, and 2/10. If I divide with 10, then it is 7,500. So 7,500 ka double, 15,000. Then it is 5/10 means half. So 70 ka half, 35,000. So it is 37,500. And here it will be 7,500 ka 3. So it will be 22,500. Let us cross check. So it is 37,500, 37,500. So we have distributed the profit and loss account. Look here. Our first entry is profit and loss account debit 75. Yes. To Hari 37,500. To Kunal 22,500. To Uma 15,000. So we have distributed profit and loss account. Okay. So I hope you are clear about this. Next entry is about investment fluctuation fund. But before that, you need to compare whether there is loss or not. So investment was having the book value of 50,000 and it was valued at 35,000. So this is the market value. So on 1st April 2018, investment fluctuation reserve I need to distribute. So I will write here investment fluctuation fund account debit 15,000 distribute करना है. So I will write investment fluctuation fund account debit 15,000 and to investment account. Now why investment? If there is a loss, if your book value, in the question it was given book value was 50,000 and market value is given as 35,000. So it means book value minus market value will give you the loss. So investment की value 15,000 से कम करनी है. So entries exactly over 15 debit 15 credit. कुछ पैसे बचते तो I could have distributed amongst the partner, but अब नहीं कर सकता because there is no fund. अगर loss होता 10,000 का तो 5,000 would have been distributed. अगर loss ज्यादा होता तो I would have debited revaluation account. So I hope you are able to understand the concepts जो हमने पहले भी सीखे थे. So investment fluctuation fund debit करो and जितना loss है investment में उतना credit करो. Remaining amount distribute amongst the partners and narration will be being loss in value of investment adjusted in investment fluctuation fund account. That's it. So we have passed second entry. Let's see here. So second entry investment fluctuation fund को debit करना है and investment को credit करना है by 15,000. Yes, we have exactly done that. Okay. Now let's move on to the next transaction. Here we have goodwill of the firm is valued at 3 lakhs. So goodwill के लिए we need to find sacrifice or the gain. So I need some working. नीचे एक space देकर I will write the working for goodwill. And our structure is same. I will write the ratio and then names of the partners. New ratio minus old ratio will give me gain या फिर sacrifice. So I will write new ratio minus old ratio. It will give me either gain या फिर sacrifice. Which are the partners? Hari, Kunal and Uma. So Hari, Kunal and Uma. What is the new ratio? New ratio is 253. 253. So 2 by 10, 5 by 10, 3 by 10. Old ratio was 532. So 510, 310 and 210. So 2 minus 5. So it is minus 3 by 10. So since it is negative, it means हरी सेक्रीफाइस कर रहा है, हरी का अकाउंट क्रेडिट होगा. 5 minus 3, 2 by 10, it is positive. So there is a gain. इसका अकाउंट डेबिट करेंगे. 3 minus 2, 1 by 10, again there is a gain. इसका अकाउंट डेबिट करेंगे for goodwill. So goodwill के लिए I will pass the entry now. So I will write here on the same date, which is 1st April 18, it is for goodwill. So for goodwill already I have prepared the working note. So I will debit Kunal's capital account. So Kunal's capital account debit, then Uma's capital account debit, and credit will go to Hari's capital account. And here ratio for Kunal is 2 by 10, it is 1 by 10. For Hari, it is 3 by 10. And narration will be being goodwill adjusted on change in ratio. So we have adjusted goodwill. And what is the total amount of goodwill? Goodwill is 3 lakhs. So into 3 lakhs. So 30,000 into 2, 60,000, 30,000 into 1, 30,000, and here 30,000 into 3, it will be 90,000. So बहुत easy है. Okay. So we have passed this entry. Let's see whether this entry is correct. So look here for goodwill. कुणाल को डेबिट करो 60, उमा को डेबिट करो 30 and हरि को क्रेडिट करो 90. Yes, so we have passed this entry for goodwill as well. And now let us go through the next transaction. The stock having book value of 50,000 to be depreciated by 10%. So stock to be depreciated. So it means there is a loss. And when there is a loss, revaluation account, we debit. So asset की value कम हो रही है. So I will write on 1st April 2018. Now I have a limited space. So I'm trying to adjust. There are basically 2 entries. Loss on revaluation, and then we transfer this loss to partners. So I will write revaluation account debit to name of the asset. कौन सा asset कम हुआ है? Stock. तो to stock account कितना? To be depreciated by 10%. 50,000 का 10%. So 10% of 50,000. So it will be 5,000. Narration will be being loss in stock on revaluation recorded. So we have recorded the loss, and this loss needs to be distributed amongst the partners in old ratio. So revaluation को credit कर दो. So I will write to revaluation account and debit the partners. So Hari's capital account debit, then Kunal's capital account debit, and Uma's capital account debit. And in the old ratio 5:3:2, 5/10, 3/10, and 2/10 of the amount of loss was 5,000. So it is 500 into 2,000. It is 2,500 and it will be 1,500. So total 5,000 you will distribute. Narration will be being loss on revaluation distributed. We have distributed the loss on revaluation. Let's check कि ये जो दो एंट्री है वो करेक्ट है या नहीं है. So look here. Here we have realization account debit and stock account credit 5,000. So revaluation account or realization account means the same thing. And then debit Hari 2,500, debit Kunal 1,500, and debit Uma by 1,000. And we distribute this revaluation account. Look here. Revaluation account की जगह पर by mistake they have written realization. Actually it is revaluation account. So we have credited revaluation account as well. So we have passed the entry for revaluation loss also. So raise your hand if you are clear about this question. So first of all, what we have done, we have distributed the profit. Then we have distributed investment fluctuation fund. And then for goodwill, we find gain or sacrifice, then we adjust the entry. And if there is revaluation, profit or loss, we record and distribute amongst the partners. Now we have next question, which is question number 25. So again, a good question. So सभी स्टूडेंट्स बराबर से ध्यान दीजिए. Question 25. The balance sheet of X and Y who share the profits in the ratio of 5:3 is given. Old ratio is given. And in this balance sheet, be careful about advertisement suspense account जो हम distribute करेंगे among partners, and also be careful about general reserve जो हम distribute करते हैं, and also be careful about workman compensation reserve. याद रखिए एम्प्लॉई का प्रोविडेंट फंड इज अ नॉर्मल लायबिलिटी, उसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट नहीं करना है. ओके, एम्प्लॉई का प्रोविडेंट फंड इज ए नॉर्मल लायबिलिटी, इसको कुछ भी नहीं करना है. सो येलो वाले को हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे अमॉन्ग्स्ट द पार्टनर्स. Now, then what they have given on the above date, they decided to change the profit sharing ratio to 3:5. So new ratio is given and agreed upon the following. So goodwill is to be valued at 2 years purchase of average profit of 3 years. So we can calculate the goodwill. Okay. And चलिए पहले हम ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. So I will write question number 25. Let's see what is the requirement. Prepare revaluation account, partners ka capital account, and the balance sheet of the new firm. So I will write revaluation account, so in revaluation account around 6-7 lines are sufficient. And then we need to prepare partners capital accounts, and there are 2 partners. So again 6-7 lines are sufficient for partners account as well. And then we need to prepare the balance sheet. So for balance sheet around half page is needed. You can prepare the format of balance sheet. Now let's write something. Revaluation account debit and credit. Then I will write partners capital accounts. Then I have debit and credit, and I will also write names of the partners X and Y. X, Y, X and Y. Then I will prepare balance sheet as at 1st April 21. Where I will have liabilities rupees and assets and rupees. And after I have prepared this, I can prepare the working for goodwill. But before we start the question, सबसे पहला काम ये करना है कि पार्टनर्स की कैपिटल में ओपनिंग बैलेंस लिख दो. So by balance brought down. So look here, X 52, Y 54. X 52, Y 54. Then distribute the reserves. So here we have general reserve 4800. So it will be distributed. So by general reserve 4800 को डिवाइड करना है इन द रेशियो ऑफ 5:3. So 5/8, 3/8. 8 6 are 48. So 600 into 5, 3000. 600 into 3, 1800. So total you have divided general reserve. Okay, so 5/8, 8 6 are 48. So 600 into 5 and 600 into 3. Then here we have workman compensation reserve, but ये directly distribute नहीं होगा. You need to compare with the claim. So look here, workman compensation reserve is how much? 10,000. And there is a claim of 6,000. So our entry is कि workman compensation reserve 10,000 से distribute कर लो and claim is 6,000 and other will go to partners in old ratio. So our entry will be like this for workman compensation reserve. So एक working मैं आपको यहाँ पे बताता हूँ. It is advisable so that you can revise in a proper way. So working note about workman compensation reserve. So what is your journal entry? Workman compensation reserve 10,000 to claim. Claim was given as 6,000 and other you will divide between partners to X ka account and to Y ka account. How much you will divide? You will divide in old ratio. What was the old ratio? 5:3. So 5/8, 3/8. But how much? So 10 minus 6, 4,000 you will have to divide. So 8 5s are 40. So 500 into 5, 2,500. 500 into 3 is 1,500. So this is the journal entry for workman compensation reserve. So we will give effect of this journal entry. Workman compensation reserve cancel हो जाएगा तो बैलेंस शीट में हम नहीं बताएंगे. To claim, तो in balance sheet liability side I will show the claim. So in liabilities I will write capital of X and Y. I will get something and then I will write claim for workers 6,000 already मैंने decide कर लिया था. And another effect I will give in partners capital account. Partners capital account में I will write on credit side. So 2x. So I will write by workmen compensation reserve. So for X and Y, X के लिए 2,500, Y के लिए 1,500. So I'll write here X 2,500 and Y 1,500. Okay, so we have done accounting for workman compensation reserve. I always believe accounts is based on journal entries. So have a look at journal entries. Workman का reserve cancel कर दो, claim जितना है उतना record करो and remaining amount distribute amongst the partners in old ratio. So this is done, workman compensation reserve. Now we need to distribute this negative reserve. So this is the debit balance. So we will credit this and partners को debit कर देंगे. It is 800. So partners capital account debit side, I will write to advertisement suspense account and 800 I need to distribute. In which ratio? 5:3. So it's very easy. 500 and 300. So I have distributed this advertisement suspense. I have distributed general reserve as well as I have distributed workman compensation reserve. Now in this question, what is most important is the goodwill. Goodwill में आप सबको ध्यान देना है. Goodwill was already there in the balance sheet. If goodwill is already there in the balance sheet, you need to distribute in old ratio. अगर goodwill already है balance sheet में, तो distribute the goodwill in old ratio. So what I will do, goodwill is हैविंग डेबिट बैलेंस, तो गुडविल को क्रेडिट करूंगा, पार्टनर्स को डेबिट कर दूंगा. ओके, सो आई विल राइट टू गुडविल, ब्रैकेट में it is the old goodwill. Goodwill which is given in the balance sheet is called old goodwill. How much it is? It is 8,000. So 8,000 I will distribute in 5:3. So 5,000 and 3,000. So whenever we have goodwill in the balance sheet, in the absence of information, we distribute amongst the partners. So this goodwill we have distributed amongst the partners. And now we need to go through the adjustment of new goodwill. We need to calculate the new goodwill. So you can prepare another working note. It is about goodwill. So in goodwill, we have step number 1, which is average profit. What is the average profit? They have given 3 years average profit, and 3 years profit are 7,500, 4,000, 6,500. 7,500, 4,000 and 6,500. Divide with 3. So it is 7,500 plus 10,500 divided by 3. So 18,000 divided by 3. So it is 6,000. And in step number 2, I will get goodwill. So goodwill is average profit into, as the question says, 2 years purchase. So 6,000 into 2. So goodwill is 12,000. It was given that 2 years purchase. And to distribute the goodwill, I need to follow one structure: new ratio minus old ratio. It will give me either gain or sacrifice. Uske base par I can divide, okay, the goodwill. So names of the partners are X and Y. New ratio is 3:5. So 3/8, 5/8. And old ratio was 5:3. So 5/8, 3/8. So 3 minus 5. So it is minus 2/8. Basically, it is minus 1/4. It is negative. So there is sacrifice. So इस पार्टनर को हम करेंगे क्रेडिट. And 5 minus 3/8, 2/8. It is 1/4. There is a gain. तो इस पार्टनर को हम करेंगे डेबिट. तो our journal entry is this. Y को डेबिट करना है एंड X का कैपिटल अकाउंट क्रेडिट करना है. हाउ मच? 1/4 से of total goodwill. Goodwill is 12,000. So 4 3s are 12. So this is the entry. Y को डेबिट 3,000, X को क्रेडिट 3,000. So we will give effect Y debit 3,000 in partners account. Y debit 3,000 लिखेंगे to X का कैपिटल अकाउंट and X credit 3,000. I will write by vice capital account. And to avoid confusion, what I can do, I can use this highlighter so that you can understand कि ये entry कैसे आई. Okay. Now, only two transactions are remaining, which is machinery and stock. So machinery revalued at 45. Machine की old value was 38. New value is 45. तो फायदा हुआ है 7,000 का. So revaluation credit side में I will write by machinery 7,000. कैसा आया 7,000? New value of machine was 45,000 minus old value was 38,000. So machine में फायदा है, and in the balance sheet I will show the machine like this. Machinery inner column 38,000, and I will add revaluation. There is a profit of 7,000, so that in outer column I will have 45,000. So machine is very easy to understand, and stock is to be valued at 8,000. So look here, stock was 7,000, new value is 8,000. तो फायदा है stock में भी. So I will write by stock account. New value is 8 minus old value was 7. So 1,000 का फायदा है. So with this we can close this account revaluation, and मुझे gain मिला है 8,000. Look here, gain on revaluation आ गया 8,000, and this I will distribute among sub partners. So I will write to partners account, and there are two partners, X and Y. I will divide in old ratio. Old ratio was 5:3. So 5/8, 3/8. So 5,000 and 3,000. And इसकी second effect will be in partners account by revaluation account. I have 5,000 and 3,000. So 5,000 and 3,000. So we are almost done. सिर्फ ये account close करना है, and we need to find the balance. Okay. So I request you to please rejoin the meeting. It will take just 5 minutes to finish the question. So please rejoin in the meeting. Okay, good evening, Kosh. So we were here, we need to close this account. So 52 plus 3, 55, 57, 500, 60, 60, 500, and 65, 500. 65, 500 minus 5,500. So I'm getting this as 60,000. and it is to balance carried down. Let us confirm. Yes, capital of X is 60,000. I have got this 60,000. Then total of credit minus debit for Y, 54, 55, 800, 56, 800, or I can write like this, 54, so it is 300, 60, 300, 60, 300 minus 300 and 6,000. So 54,000 I'm getting. Let's see. Yes, 54,000 balance of Y. So this capital we will introduce here in the balance sheet. 60,000 and 54,000. So it is 4, 6 and 5, 11. But in some assets, there are no changes that you need to write. So stock we have not yet recorded. Record karna baki hai. So I will write stock which was having the value 7,000 and there was profit of 1,000. So add revaluation 1,000. So in outer column, stock will have value 8,000. Then let's see, goodwill distribute हो गया था, machine लिख दिया, furniture में no change, 15,000. So write as it is. Furniture 15,000. Then debtors no change, 33,000. So write as it is. Debtors 33,000. Then stock already written, bank 25,000, write as it is. Bank 25,000. Then coming back to the liability side, capitals are written, reserve already distributed, employee provident fund 1,000 needs to be written. Employee provident fund 1,000 and workman compensation reserve already distributed, creditors 5,000 needs to be written. So जहां पर कोई चेंज नहीं है वो लिखना होगा. And if you do like this, you will be able to get the total. If accounting is correct, debit credit will be equal. Let's see, 114 plus 6. So 1,20,000 plus 6,000. So it is 1,26,000. यहाँ पर हम देखते हैं 45 plus 15, 60, 68. And here it is 58. So 8 and 8. Yes, it is also 1,26,000. And look here in the answer, balance sheet total is 1,26,000. So we are able to get this total 1,26,000 on both the sides. So I hope you are able to understand what is to be done when there is revaluation. देखो repeated questions are there. Okay, so try to keep a practice, and tomorrow we will continue. Raise your hand if this is clear to you. Kush, Aditya, Manmeet, Vivek, are you cleared? Okay, chaliye. So we'll continue tomorrow.
Yes,
Keep
sir.
on
Yes, sir.
practicing. Yes. Bye bye.